Hi guys, I hope you are well. Today I will be showing you how to tint your brows and your lashes right from the comforts of your own home. And don't forget to hand sanitize first. Today I will be using the Miley Beauty Dark Brown Lash and Brow Tint. Step 1, start by prepping your mixture. We'd recommend using about 1 centimetre of dye and a few drops of the activator until the mixture is a creamy consistency. Step 2, next you will need to create a barrier around the skin where you'll be applying the tint. You can use a thick layer of moisturiser or petroleum jelly, whichever you prefer. This is to protect the skin and to ensure that no dye transfers onto your skin. Step 3, using a disposable mascara wand, brush your brow hairs using the brush provided in a kit, or a brow makeup brush will do just as well. Coat the brows using the tint, focusing specifically on where your brows may be sparse. Finally, for step 4, leave your brows on for a maximum of 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the tint using lukewarm water and cotton pads, ensuring you wipe away the tint from your brows. Right, so now onto your lashes. Make sure you've kept that same creamy mixture you created for your brows, as this will be what you also use on your lashes. Apply a thick moisturiser or petroleum jelly around the lash area, making sure your lashes are makeup free and free of any oily residue that may be on the lashes from an oil-based cleanser previously. Next up, add the mixture to your mascara wand and coat your lashes, remembering to coat the top of the lashes and do not apply directly to the roots. And for your final step, wait for a few minutes and remove using a water-soaked cotton pad, again wiping away from the eye area. You're good to go. Thanks for watching.